Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bing AI to your Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started right away. If you don't have the Microsoft Edge browser on your device, then you can open up the Microsoft Store and simply search for Microsoft Edge. Once you find Microsoft Edge, you can click on the Get or Install button and this will install the Microsoft Edge browser to your system. Now just go ahead and open it up. And you might be asked to log into your Microsoft account. Now if the Bing AI is already installed on your Edge browser, then you will see the Bing AI toolbar at the top right corner, right underneath the Close button. However, if you don't see it, then click on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. You will now be taken into the Settings menu. Now from the Settings menu, if you scroll down, you will find Bing Chat. Just go ahead and click on it. And now the Show Bing Chat menu will be visible at the very top. You can simply toggle this button on and you will immediately see the Bing toolbar at the top right corner. If the toolbar doesn't already have the chat menu, then you will first need to log into your account. So you can click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and then proceed with signing into your Microsoft account by clicking on the Sign In button. From there, you can simply use your email address and your password to sign in and access the Bing AI chat toolbar to its fullest potential. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add the Bing AI chatbot to your Microsoft Edge browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.